Mic, all of you. Off your camera. Now can you see? Can you see on the screen, children?
No, ma'am.
बेटा भी नया लिंक भेजा मैंने आपको फॉरवर्ड करके वो यूज करो.
Mute your mic, children.
अभी भेजा देखो नया. ठीक है.
Somebody mind, mute your mic. You can't see me, children, on the screen.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can see
Ma'am,
your
I can't.
photo.
No, ma'am, I can't see you.
No, ma'am, I can't see you. Ma'am, I can see your photo only.
No, ma'am, I can't see you.
Even if your webcam is off, then also
Yes, ma'am.
everybody's
Yes,
webcam is
ma'am.
off. Off your camera, children. Then I hope you can see me. My camera is on.
Ma'am, no, your photo. I can see your photo only.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem then. I'm going to give you. I can see few cameras are on. I can see few children there on the screen. Beta, please off your camera. I'm asking this for your good only because
Ma'am, Samriddhi Mishra camera is on.
yes, Samriddhi, off your camera.
Ma'am, my camera is off.
Still you all can't see me?
Ma'am, I can see your photo only.
No, ma'am, I can't see you.
Ma'am, I am also can't see you.
Okay. So let's start today's work.
Ma'am, I can't see you.
Now camera is not working. What to do? I have made you off the cameras still. I have on my camera also. Still you can't see. Okay, you write what I am telling you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Write in the copy. First write somewhere in rough, and then when I am going to give you the image, the work, then you do in fair copy neatly. Okay. Right. Do you all know largest one digit number? Largest one digit number is 9. Right
Yes,
there,
ma'am.
largest one digit number 9. Mute your mic, children. Then largest two digit number is 99. Why largest one digit number is 9? Because after 9, 10 comes and 10 becomes 2 digits. So 9 is largest one digit number. Then largest two digit number will be 99. Why 99? Because after 99, 100 comes and 100 is 3 digit number. So largest two digit number is 99. Then write largest 4 digit number. Largest 4 digit number will be, no, after 2 digit write largest 3 digit number. Largest 3 digit number will be 999. 3 times. Okay, then largest 4 digit number. Largest 4 digit number will be 4 times 9. Then largest 5 digit number. It will be 5 times 9. Written. Then write largest 6 digit number. How many times 9? Largest 6 digit number.
6 times 9.
Yes, 6
time
times.
9.
Yes, 6 times 9. Then write largest 7 digit number. 7 times 9. Mute your mic. Largest 8 digit number will be 8 times 9. Use kindly from the next time use headphones and earphones. Because when your mic is on, I don't know your brother and sisters are talking or your parents are talking from the back and they are not using good language and I'm getting very much disturbed in between the class. I don't want any disturbance. So kindly use earphones from the next time and make sure your mic is off.
Okay, ma'am.
Largest 6 digit number is 6 times 9. The largest 7 digit number is 7 times 9. Who else has started a call? Athar? Largest 8 digit number is 8 times 9. And largest 9 digit number is 9 times 9. So we have written from largest 1 digit number till largest 9 digit number. 1 digit is 9, 2 digit is 99, 3 digit is 999, 4 digit 4 times 9, 5 digit 5 times 9 and so on. Largest 9 digit is 9 times 9. Okay. This much done. Now write, give 2 lines and then write for smallest number. Smallest 1 digit number is 1. Smallest 1 digit number 1. Smallest 2 digit number 10. Smallest 3 digit number
100.
Smallest 4 digit number 1000.
1000.
1 and 000. Smallest 5 digit number 1
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
1 and 4 times 0. 10,000. 1 and 4 times 0. Then smallest 6 digit number 1 and 5 times 0. Write 1 and then write 5 times 0. This is the smallest 6 digit. Then smallest 7 digit 1
10
and 6 times 0. Yes. Smallest 6 digit is 1 5 times 0. Smallest 7 digit is 1 and 6 times 0. Then smallest 8 digit is 1 and 7 times 0. And last smallest 9 digit is 1 and 8 times 0.
Ma'am, will you send this work on group also?
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
but that doesn't mean that you will not write.
Ma'am, because I left something and your voice is not coming.
Why you left? Smallest 1 digit is 9, 2 digit is 10, 3 digit is 100, 4 digit is 1000, 5 digit is 10,000, 6 digit is 1 lakh, 7 digit is 10 lakh, 8 digit is 1 crore, and 9 digit is 10 crore. And the easy way to write is, when we talk about smallest 7 digit number, it is 1 and 6 times 0.
Just type down.
Smallest 8 digit number, 1 and 7 times 0.
काश कोरोना चलता रहे. आशा पहले लॉकडाउन से डरता था ना.
Done this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now there is one question. How many numbers are there in all? How many numbers are there in all for 7 digit? Means we have to find out how many 7 digits number are there. Right?
हाँ चल रही है बोलो.
Who is this shouting? Shouting? Who is this?
अरे लो क्लास.
Who is this shouting?
मैम अच्छा.
I said to mute your mic, children. How many numbers are there in all for 7 digit? This you have to write. How many numbers are there for all in 7 digit? So how we are going to solve this question? Question is saying how many numbers are there for 7 digit? So first we will write greatest 7 digit number, right? Greatest 7 digit number is equal to greatest 7 digit number is equal to 7 times 9, right? 999, 999 and 9. You all know 7 digit greatest number. So write the greatest 7 digit number is equal to, put is equal to sign, and in front write 7 times 9. Then below that write greatest 6 digit number. Below that write greatest 6 digit number. And below where you have written 7 times 9, below that write 6 times 9 and subtract. What is the answer you are getting?
Ma'am, we have to subtract that.
Yes, From 7-digit largest number, subtract 6-digit largest number.
Ma'am, the answer is 9.
Only 9? No? Answer will be 9, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That means 90 lakh.
90 lakh.
Yes, answer will be 90 lakh. So you will write answer. There are total 90 lakh 7-digit numbers. There are total 90 lakh 7-digit number. You got it? If the question is asking how many numbers are there in all for 7-digit, so first you will write 7-digit greatest number. Then from that you will subtract 6-digit greatest number. Whatever answer will come, that is your answer. Okay. Similarly, now another question. How many numbers are there in all for 6 digits? Now this time you have to find out for 6 digit. How many numbers are there in all for 6 digit? What we will do? First, we will write the greatest 6-digit number. Greatest 6-digit number. Write 6 times 9. And below that, we will write greatest 5-digit number. That means from greatest 6-digit number, we will subtract greatest 5-digit number. Now what is the answer coming? After subtraction, tell me.
9.
Ma'am, 9 lakh.
9 lakh.
Ma'am, 9 lakhs.
So you will write answer. There are total 9 lakh 6-digit numbers. There are total 9 lakh 6-digit numbers. Okay. So what now the few questions I will give you to do in your fair copies. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Related to this only what we have done today. For 7-digit we have done, for 6-digit we have done. Now write for 5 digits.
Okay.
Then for 8 digits. And then for 4 digits. And then last for 9 digits. Means this is your homework. You have to find out for 5 digits, for 8 digits, for 4 digits, for 9 digits. So for 5 digits, what we will do? First, we will write 5-digit greatest number. Then we will write 4-digit greatest number and subtract. That will be your answer. Then for 8-digit number, what we will do? First, we will write greatest 8-digit number. Then we will write greatest 7-digit number and subtract. Then next for 4-digit, what we will do? First, we will write 4-digit largest number. Then write 3-digit largest number, subtract. And for last 9-digit, what we will do? First, write 9-digit largest number, 9 times 9. Then write 8-digit largest number, 8 times 9. Subtract. Whatever you will get, that will be your answer. Clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to give you the image so that you can do it easily.